Hi guys, I'm ISHITA Kothari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some of the hair care tips which I do for my hairs, and I know this is the highly requested video from you guys. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Tip number 1, oil your hairs. Trust me guys, I know most of you don't like oiling the hairs, but the reason my hairs are long and very smooth is because of oiling only. So what I do, whenever I know that next morning I'm going to wash my hair, so a night before I apply a oil on all over my hairs, and next morning I wash it. So this is what you can also do for your hairs. Tip number 2, think a lot before you color your hair. I have never ever colored my hair because I know color is going to damage my hairs. The reason is this only. So if you have never colored your hairs and if you're planning to do it, just think a lot and then take a decision. Tip number 3, avoid using heating tools. 2 years back when I started blogging, I used to collab with many different makeup artists. So they were using these tools on my hairs and eventually my hair got damaged a lot. So then I realized that I should stop using all of them and be natural. So तब से मैंने ये सब stop कर दिया था, and now every week I am shooting either for my YouTube or my new series on Instagram for Serious Fashion Affair or for TikToks. So I have completely stopped using heating tools, and this is what my hair looks like after I take a wash. So I will recommend you to kindly just avoid heating tools as much as possible. Tip number 4, wash your hairs twice a week. I have seen people who is washing their hairs daily, so I will recommend not to wash your hairs daily because इससे आपकी scalp बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाएगी and your hair won't grow fast. So kindly just avoid washing your hairs daily. Tip number 5, don't apply shampoo directly on your hairs. Yes, what I do, just dilute your shampoo with 2 spoons of water, mix it well, and then apply it on your scalp, hairs until roots. This will just dilute your shampoo, and if you will apply shampoo directly on your hairs, it's going to harm your hair and scalp. So never do this. Tip number 6, dilute your conditioner. What I do, I apply a conditioner on my scalp, on all over my hair, and after that I take a bath, I wash my body. उसमें 5-7 minutes चले जाते हैं, and after that I remove my conditioner in a very gentle way. So always remove your conditioner very gently. Tip number 7, avoid using dryer after hair wash. Heat always damage your hair. So what I do, take a towel and gently just dry your hairs like this. Tip number 8, never wash your hair with the hot water. Yes, hot water damage your scalp and hair a lot. So what I do, I always wash my hair with a lukewarm water. There are suggestions that you should always wash your hair with a cold water, but I never wash my hair with a cold water. Instead, I wash my hair with a lukewarm water, and I will suggest you all to wash your hair with a lukewarm water. Tip number 9, use a shampoo that is suitable for your hairs. I use this Dove Daily Shine shampoo, and ये मुझे सूट हो गया है, एंड कंडीशनर भी मैं इसी का यूज़ करती हूँ. So this is what I'm using for my hair. Tip number 10, DIY your conditioner. I have heard that conditioner से जल्दी white hairs आना शुरू हो जाते हैं. So I try to avoid conditioner as much as possible. So what I do, I take my shampoo, I add 2 spoons of sugar with 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, just mix it well and just give them a rest for 15 minutes. And shampoo होने के बाद you can apply this paste as a conditioner and use it as a conditioner. Tip number 11, use hair mask. Yes, hair masks are very effective, and this is the hair mask that I am using. This is recommended by my homeopathy doctor. So I will recommend you all to use a hair mask, and you will see an instant result in your hairs after using a hair mask. Tip number 12, DIY your own hair mask. You must have heard that Korean and Japanese women use rice water for their hairs. This is what exactly my mother has suggested me to do so, and this is the rice water that I use for my hairs. So what you can do, एक बॉल राइस का लीजिए, उसमें 3 to 4 cups ऑफ वाटर ऐड कीजिए, उसको ओवरनाइट सोक कीजिए, एंड पूरा जो वाटर है उसको एक ग्लास कंटेनर में निकाल के you can refrigerate it for maximum 6 days and you can use this water to wash your hairs. Eventually you will see a results in your hair growth. It takes time but it has a tremendous result, so I will recommend you to use rice water therapy for your hairs. Tip number 13, don't trim your hair much. You must have heard that you should always trim your hairs in every 45 to 60 days or take a haircut, so never do it. I will recommend you, अगर आपको split ends है and ज़रूरत है तभी trim कीजिए, otherwise don't trim your hairs as much as possible. I hope you like my hair care tips, and if yes, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, see you all in my next video.